guys, welcome back. Today I will be making some Barbie purses for an upcoming party that I have. Okay, as you can see, I already brought in my template into Design Space, and I brought some clip art in. I already made this charm right here. Well, I'm calling it a charm. It's going to go on a top flap of the purse. But let me show you how I bring in an item and create these offset layers for when it's, to make it a 3D effect. When you go to upload, bring in your selected item. Excuse me. This is what I brought in. What I'm going to do, I need to remove this right here. So what I'm going to do is ungroup this and remove it. Okay. This is the item that I'm left with. Now I'm going to create my different layers to give it a 3D effect when I do make my purse. I select item, I go up to offset, and I just select what size I think is good. I think that looks perfect. Okay, and I'm going to change that to the pink of my choice. And I'm going to create another offset of, since we already have it selected, of the first offset. Same size is fine with me. And this time I'm going to turn it into a gray color. But when I cut it out, it's actually going to be silver cardstock, metallic silver. Okay, and the word Barbie, we're just going to turn it white. And then I just group it. Group everything together. And that's how I achieve this. Okay, so we can delete that. I am going to add, hold on. These are my different layers to put on here. I've already color coded them. So this is this pink right here is my base layer. And next, my next layer, I am going to do silver metallic cardstock. And then this layer here at the bottom, I'm actually going to do a pattern. Let me find my pattern and bring them in. Actually, I already brought them in, but this is the pattern right here. What I did was instead of doing image upload, I went over to pattern upload, and you bring in the item like you would normally do, or image or anything. Okay, so let me, okay, ungroup. This is going to go from a basic cut to a print and cut. All of these are going to become print and cuts. I could have, let me just select all of them and do it like that. Okay. The pattern I'm going to use, so you click the side color over here next to options, print and cut. Click this drop down. You change it from color, click pattern. I have a couple of, these are the patterns that I uploaded for this. I'm actually not sure which one I want. I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to go to edit and make and scale it out to my liking. Okay. Press the X. And I want it on this piece, I think I just want, I think I'm gonna put the same. I'm gonna scale it like that. This piece here is the bottom piece that goes on under here, under the front flap. So I'm sorry, I just haven't decided on how I actually wanted to design this. I guess I'll just do it like this. And doing all my other pieces will be the same. This piece. So let me see if I can select one, press shift, select, pattern, advance. Oh. Change them all at once. Import's okay. All right. These are going to be the handles to the top of the purse. Okay, so now that I finished designing this, I'm going to print and cut all of these items out, and I'll come back when it's time to assemble. I turn off my add bleed. I also turn on use system dialog. This is where I choose the settings for my printer. Print in color. It's not double-sided. I select my paper size. For this sheet of paper, I am using an 8.5 by 11. My media is going to be from the rear feed tray that I'm printing from. Media type, it is cardstock. I'll put 2. I don't know what that is. My quality is going to be best. Anything else I want to change? And I press print.